Today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058012 May-June 2020. Question number 1. Write in figures the number 53,035. So it will be 53,000 and 0 hundreds and it will be 35 like this. Then write this one correct to the nearest hundred. So 100th position is 3, so we can write 8,400 because 7 is more than 5. Then write down the mathematical name of this type of angle. It is acute angle, so we will write here acute. B part, question number 2, B part, not to scale. A and B lie on a circle center O. Write on the mathematical name of the line AB, which is chord, so we can write here chord. OA is equal to 8 centimeter. Write on the length of the diameter of the circle, so double the length of the radius will be diameter, so we can write here 16 centimeters. Then here comes the question number 3. Write on the reciprocal of 10. So reciprocal of 10 is basically 1 over 10. This will be the reciprocal of 10. Now question number 4. Find the value of this one. We'll use calculator for that one. So under root of 196 will be equal to 14. So our answer will be 14. And calculate 15 raised to the power 3. 15 raised to the power 3 will be equal to 3375. 3375. Question number 5. Put one pair of brackets in each statement to make it correct. So this should be equal to 1. This will be 8 and plus 8 will be 16. So 16 divided by 16 will be 1. So we can put brackets over here. So we will solve this first and then we will divide 16 by 16. And for this one, basically, we need answer of 12. So this will be 4 into 2 will be 8. 8 plus 8 will be 16. No, so this one 16 divided by 8 will be 2. 2 plus 4 will be 6 and 6 into 2 will be 12. So we can multiply this first, divide this first and add this one, then we will be getting 12. Now question number 6. The 840 students in a school are asked if they want a change of school uniform. The results are shown in the pie chart. Show that the number of students who said yes is 266. So 840 students are basically asked this question. So what we can do, we can, yes is this one, so 114. So 114 out of 360 will be multiplied by 840 to check this. So this will be equal to 266. So we can write 114 divided by 360. This will be the angle, and basically this is the angle 114. So how much portion of this is saying yes, which is total is 360 degrees, and it will be multiplied by 840 which is equal to 266. This will be our final answer. Then question number 7. Change 5.3 kilometers into meters. So 5.3 into 1000 because there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. So 55300 will be our answer for this part. Question number 8. The scale drawing shows the position of town A and B. The scale is 1 centimeter, represents 2 kilometers. And this is basically length also. In case of length, this published papers are a little reduced, so our answer may be not exactly matching because this is a reduced paper. So find the actual distance between A and B. So we'll be checking the centimeters. This is giving like 8.1 centimeter. If we are taking this as 8.1 centimeter, so it will be 8.1 multiplied by 12, and this will be resulting to 8.1 multiplied by 12 will be equal to this much, 97.2. So this is 97.2. As I told you that this is reduced paper, so answer in the marking scheme they are mentioning 108. So if we take 108 and divide it by this scale, which is 12, if we divide by 12, we will get 108 divided by 12, which is equal to 9. So basically the original paper which was handed over, which basically was without reduction, was 9, having length of 9 centimeter. So if we are taking this as 9 centimeter, then our answer will be matching. But you can see this is reduced one and it's not matching. It's no way that it's 9. So it's 8.1. So by 8.1 calculation will be this one, and by 9 centimeters calculation will be, you can write like 9 into what's 9 into basically 12, which will be equal to 108. This will be in that case 108 kilometers. Now town C is 72 kilometer from town A. Okay, so 72 will be divided by basically 12. So 72 divided by 12 will be equal to 6. So from A it is 6 centimeters. So we can open the compasses and 6 centimeter will be taken from here. So after opening it 6 centimeter, we can make an arc like this one, and after drawing this arc, they are saying 96 kilometer from town B. So 96 will be divided by 12 and it will be 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeter, again we will open 8 centimeter, and 8 centimeter will be up to this one, and we have to make an arc from here, which is 8 centimeter over here. So we'll have to extend this arc, which is 6 centimeter. We have taken this arc and we can extend this like this one. So we have extended and got the point, and the point of intersection of these two arcs we can join, and this will be the point of intersection, and we can complete this triangle by joining the points, this one. So on the scale draw, construct the position of the town C, and we can write here town C. This is done. Now question number 9, write in the order of rotational symmetry of the diagram. So rotational symmetry of the diagram, basically if you can see these squares are shaded and these squares are also shaded. So it was little dim, so I thought it should be shown. So this corner is shaded, this corner is also shaded. Now if we rotate, this will be coming to this section. So one position is this one, second position is this one. So it's having rotational symmetry of order 2. And then question number 10 is bearing question, not to scale. A and B are provided. Bearing of B from A. B from A will be this angle, and it is 105, which is provided. Find the bearing of A from B. So A from B will be this angle. To find this angle, we can extend this line. For your understanding, we can extend this line like this. So this angle up to this one will be 180 degree, and this angle we know is equal to this one, which is 105. So now we can find this angle 180 plus 180 degree plus 105 degrees, and this will be 285 degrees. So we can write here 285 degrees. 285 degrees will be our answer. Question number 11, write on the square number greater than 10. A square number greater than 10 can be like any square number, like for example 16 is square number, 49 is square number. There are so many square numbers which you can write. An irrational number is like a number which is a under root format, like under root 5 is a rational number which cannot be written in P over Q format. Here is question number 12. Point A, B, C are shown on the grid and write the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C are 3 x value and 1 y value, so 3 and 1. So we can provide here 3 and 1. And B part, it is saying on the grid plot point D so that ABCD is a parallelogram. So A, B, C and D should be a parallelogram. So we can find D basically. To form the parallelogram, what we can do, we can join these 2 points and join AB as well, and then to find the parallelogram, what we can do, we can use compass for that purpose, and we can basically we can make point from here. We can identify this will be the basically point, and from this length also we can check, and this will be the same point which we are getting over here. So this is basically the indication which we got. This will be the point, and we can join this to get a parallelogram like this one. So it will be basically a rectangle. So on the grid plot D so that ABCD is a parallelogram, so this is basically the point D. Then they are saying on the grid plot the point E so that EA is equal to this one. EA is equal to -4 and 3. So E point we can check. E point will be basically over from E point we can check. E point will be having coordinates. So first we can write the coordinates of A, which are -3 and 1. Now for EA we will take x coordinate of A first, so it will be -3 and minus x should be this one, and for this one y value will be 1 minus, we can write y, and this is equal to -4 and 3, this one. So now we can equalize -3 minus x is equal to -4, so we can shift this to other side, so x is equal to basically 1, and y we can write this one 1 minus y is equal to 3. This implies y will be equal to -2. So our coordinates will be 1 and -2. This is how we have found, and 1 and -2 will be basically this point, and they are saying on the grid plot the point E so that EA is equal to -4 and 3. So another way is the easier way. One way is by calculation, as I have done. The second option for you is start from A, take this one, like x value is -4, so this will be x value is -4 and y value is 3. So from here x value will be -4, so -1, -2, -3, -4, and y value will be 1, 2 and 3, so you will reach at A. You will have to start from here and reach to this location by this EA vector. So because this is EA vector, so you will start from E. This is basically E. So from E, x value is -4, so -1, -2, -3, -4 over here, and y value is 3, so 1, 2, 3 you can identify from here. So these two methods I have explained, you can use any of those methods. Question number 13, the height h meters of a tower is this much, correct to 1 decimal place. complete this statement. So one decimal place is basically over here. So 36, it can be, upper bound can be 36, will be writing like, for example, it can be 76.35 and lower bound can be 76.25. So this is upper bound and lower bound, so we can write upper bound and lower bound. Upper bound will be always on greater side, so 76.35, 76.25, and you cannot switch these values, otherwise you will not be getting 2 marks. Switch. Question number 14. Rovers, United and City are football teams. Rovers scored X goals, United scores 8 goals more than Rovers, so it will be X plus 8. This one will be X plus 8. So City scores 3 goals less than twice the number of goals scored Rovers. So twice of this will be 2x and 3 goals less, so minus 3, this many. So the 3 teams scored a total of 117. So x plus 8 plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 117, right on this, and solve the equation also. So 1, 2 and 2, 4, so 4x, basically not 2x, 4x. So this will be 4x plus this will be 5 is equal to 117, and 4x is equal to 117 minus 5, which is equal to 112. So x is equal to 112 by 4, which is equal to 112 divided by 4 will be equal to 28. So x value will be equal to 28, which we can write at the proper place provided. Question number 15. This is a trapezium. Area of the trapezium is required, and we know area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. A plus B are the parallel sides and H is the perpendicular height. So we can write area will be equal to 1 by 2 into 7 plus 11 into perpendicular height, which is 5, and this will be the calculation. 0.5 into 7 plus 11 into 5, and this will be equal to 45. So 45 centimeters square, because this is area, so this will be the answer, 45. Venn diagram, question number 16a. On the Venn diagram, shade the region A intersection B. This is basically the intersection region which we can shade. This is common in both. Intersection means common in both. So this is overlapping basically portion which we have written. So B part, universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and X is an even number and X is a prime number for Q. So this is prime number. So prime numbers are what? And prime even numbers we will write in this. Prime even numbers are like, for example, 2, and that's all. Only 2 will be over here, and then we can, P is basically even number, so remaining even numbers are 4 and 6, and odd numbers are 1 and not 1 will not be here because 1 is not a prime number. So Q are containing prime number, so 1 will be outside, and 3 is a prime number and odd number. So basically even will be here, so odd will be here, so 3, and then remaining is 5, so 5 is over here because 5 is a prime number as well as odd number. So we have done with this Venn diagram. And question number 17, we have to find the decimal value. 2 raised to the power minus 4 will be equal to 1 over 16 in fraction format and 0.0625. So 0.0625 will be 0.0625 will be our answer for this part. Question number 18. Without using calculator, we have to simplify this fraction, mixed fraction. So we'll change into improper fraction. 4 into 1 will be 4 plus 3 will be 7. So 7 by 4. and minus 11 by 12. We will multiply this and this by 3 to equalize the denominator, and then we will be simplifying. This is 21 over 12 minus 11 over 12, so this will be equal to 10 over 12, which is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 will be our answer to this question. Then comes question number 19. Roberto buys a tie of for this one $5, and he sells for this one. Calculate the percentage loss. So loss is how much? 5 minus 4.60 will be equal to 0.4 will be the loss, and 0.4 is lost against how much? Against 5 into percentage. This will be the percentage loss. So 0.4 divided by 5 and multiply by 100, and this will give us 8%. So the loss will be 8% basically. So we can write here 8. We have to simplify this. This is indices question. So 8t raised by 8 over 4t raised by 4. 4 2s are 8. And this will be, we can write 2 into t raised by 8 minus 4. So this will be equal to 2t raised to power 4. So 2t raised to power 4 will be our final answer to question number 20. Then question number 21 is basically standard form. We have to provide standard form. Standard form is like decimal should be after first non-zero number. So 4.5 is required. So how many digits will be on the right side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write here 10 raised to power 4. So our answer will be 5.4 into 10 raised to the power 4. Write this in like ordinary number. So 2.06, this will be minus 2. So it will be taking 2 jumps, 1 jump and 2 jump. And decimal will be shifting from here to this one. So there will be 0 and 0 on this side. So our answer will be 0.0206, and we can write here 0.0206 as final answer. Question number 22, write down all the factors of 28. So factors are basically 1, 2, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and then 28. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. These are basically the factors. All we have to write. We can't miss anything. So write 54 as a product of prime factors. So 54, we'll start with 54. And 2 into 20 basically 7, and then 3 into 9, and then 3 and 3. So 2 into 3 raised to power 3. So this will be basically our answer. We can write here 2 into 3 raised to power 3. Find the lowest common multiple, LCM of these two numbers. So we'll use division method. So this will be divided by 2 first, so it will be 24 and 30, then again by 2, this will be 12 and 15, again by 2, this will be 6 and 15 as it is, and then we will be dividing further by 2, this will be 3 and 15, further by 3, this will be 1, and this will be 5, then again by 5 will be 1 and 1. So up to 1 and 1 we have to reach. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 5, and we can simplify this. 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 into 5 will be equal to what? We have basically done mistake. This one into 3 into 5, and this will be equal to 240. So our answer will be 240 over here. Now question number 23, our last question of this paper is straight line. Find the gradient of the line. So gradient of the line, we can take this point on the dot on the cross, right? And we can take another line cross from here. So basically we have to use at least half of the line or more than half of the line provided for the gradient calculation, and this is basically advised because gradient will be better if you are taking more portion of the line. So this side is rise, and rise is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So you can write is equal to 6 units. And this side is run. So run is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So m will be equal to rise over run, which is equal to 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 will be the gradient, and we can write 3 by 2 or 1.5 or this one. Yeah, basically we have to be careful in checking this one scale also. If you see, this is each unit is equal to 2. From 0, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And 10 is from 0, and from starting from minus 2, this will be 12. So it will not be 6, it will be 12 on this rise side. So 4 divided by 12 will not be 3 by 2, this will be 3 only. So our gradient is 3, which we are writing over here, which is 3. And then write down the equation of line in the y is equal to mx plus c format. So y-intercept is minus 2, so c value is equal to minus 2, m is equal to 3, so y is equal to mx plus c, so minus 2. So 3x minus 2 will be our final answer to this question. We are done with the paper, and hopefully you understood each and everything. If you like this video and want to get more similar videos, so don't forget to press bell icon. Recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Also introduce this channel to your respective teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.